In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide fields in Airtable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to declutter your table without deleting any data, so your team can focus on what matters in each view. Start by opening Airtable in your browser. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account. You'll need permission to edit the view you're working in. If a view is locked or you only have read access, you won't be able to change field visibility. Next, open the base that contains the table you want to adjust, then open that table. Remember, hiding fields is view-specific in Airtable. That means the fields you hide here only disappear from the current view, not from the entire base. Your data stays intact and available in other views. Look toward the top of the screen for the View toolbar. Click the button labeled Hide Fields, or sometimes just Fields, depending on the interface you're seeing. This opens the Field Visibility panel. You'll see a list of all the fields in your table, often with a search box to help you find them quickly in larger bases. Find the field you want to hide in that list. When you uncheck the box or toggle it off, Airtable immediately removes that field from the current view. Nothing is deleted. Records, formulas, and linked relationships continue to work behind the scenes. Hidden fields can still feed into formulas and lookups. They're simply not displayed right now. When you're done selecting which fields to hide, close the Fields menu. Some versions close automatically as you click away. Others have a close icon. Take a quick look across your column headers to confirm the field is no longer visible. Your table should feel cleaner and easier to scan, with fewer columns vying for attention. If you need that field again later, just reopen the same Hide Fields or Fields menu and toggle the field back on. A quick search in the panel is the fastest way to bring it back in large tables. Remember, you're only changing the current view. Other views, like separate grid views, Kanban boards, or forms, will keep their own field visibility settings unless you adjust them too. That's it. Use field hiding to create focused, role-based views for different workflows. Operations might see status and deadlines, while finance sees budgets and costs, without ever duplicating data. Keeping views tidy improves speed, reduces errors, and makes collaboration smoother across your base.